Everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power of t plus 5 to the power of t. This is equal to 150. What is the value of t? Let's prevent the solution from here. We have that 5 to the power of t is common here, so we can factor out 5 to the power of t, so that into the parentheses, 5 to the power of t divided by 5 to the power of t, this is 1, plus 5 to the power of t divided by 5 to the power of t, this is 1. This is equal to 150. So this implies that here we have 5 to the power of t times 1 plus 1, this is 2, which is equal to 150. So let's divide both signs by 2 from here, so that now we have 5 to the power of t, this is equal to 150 divided by 2, which is equal to 75. So this is 75. The next step from here, to solve for t, we introduce logarithm on both sides, so that we have log 5 to the power of t. This is equal to log 75. Now, log 5 to the power of t, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property from here, then log 5 to the power of t becomes t log 5. So t log 5, this is equal to log 75. So let's divide both sides by log 5, and also here by log 5. So log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that we have t is equal to log 75 divided by log 5. We can express 75 as 25 times 3. Let's substitute this, so that we have t is equal to log. Now this is equal to 25 times 3, then divided by log 5. Now you find that log 25 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property from here, we have t is equal to, this is log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. Now, the next step from here is that we can express 25. 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power of 2. So that now, here we have t is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. Then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So applying the power rule property from here, we have log 5 to power 2 becomes, now this becomes t is equal to 2 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that t is equal to 2 plus, this is log 3 divided by log 5. Now log 3 over log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property from here, this implies that t is equal to, this is 2 plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of t. This is the value of t. Now, the next step from here is to verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. So let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we have that 5 to the power of t plus 5 to the power of t. This is supposed to give us a value of 150. So since 5 to the power of t is common here, we factor out 5 to the power of t, so that here into the parentheses we have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 150. This is supposed to give us a value of 150. So this implies that here we have 5 to the power of t multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 150. Let's substitute the value of t from here. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 to base 5. This is everything here multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 150. Now, the next step is that we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property from here, then here we have 5 to power 2 times 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. And remember, this is multiplied by 2. Now from here, we have 5 to the power of 2. This is equal to 25. Here we have 25 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. Everything here multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 150. Now, we have that 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of m to the power of log a to base m, and this is supposed to give us a value of a. Now this implies that 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5, this is supposed to give us a value of 3. Substituting this value here, we'll have 25 times 3. Everything here multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 150. Now, this implies that here 25 times 3, this is equal to 75 multiplied by 2. This should give us a value of 150. Now, 75 times 2, this is equal to 150, which is equal to 150. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, this implies that the value of t, which is equal to 2 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly don't forget the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.